when you are solving multiplication equations where you are multiplying by 6, you can use the same strategies as when you are multiplying by 3. So when we multiply by 3, we can think of just doubling whatever the other number is and then adding it one more time. We're just going to have to do this 2 times because you have 2 groups of 3 in 6. So to help us look at this, we're going to look at the equation 4 times 6. So instead of thinking about 4 times 6, we're going to think about what 4 times 3 is, and we're just going to do that 2 times. So 4 times 3, we're going to think of doubling the number 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And then we have to add one more group of 4 so that we get 3 groups of 4, okay? So 4 plus 4 was 8, and then we add one more group, so 8 plus 4 is 12. So that means that 4 times 3 is 12, and we have to do that 2 times, so 12 plus 12 is 24. That means that 4 times 6 is 24.